Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the apartment we chose. Once we get settled, situated, unpacked, and I decorate, I will do a complete tour of the apartment, of the facilities, the amenities, and show you guys everything. We went downstairs to the juristic office. We got our fingerprint put in the system, all our information, signed the lease, and it is ours for the next year. I'll go over all that in the video when I'm showing you the apartment updated and everything. I'm happy with our place, you guys. All right, so we're gonna go shop. We're gonna unpack first, and then we're gonna go shop for some stuff. And I'll take you with us, probably IKEA or Zara Home or and Big C. So those are three places. We're gonna see what we can find. Alrighty, guys. So we are gonna go to Big C. We need to find something to eat first, and then we're gonna go to Big C because they have like household stuff, gross. It's like Walmart of Thailand. And then we want to also look into Mr. DIY to see what they have. They're like big lots, maybe, I want to say. And then if I don't find everything, and then for specific stuff, I'll go to IKEA and Zara Home probably later or tomorrow. We'll see. We have time. Alright, you guys, so there's celebration everywhere. Oh my goodness. And there's street food everywhere. Oh, I want to eat everything, but I have time. We have time. But yeah, we're in the plaza now to head to Lotus. So let's go see what's going on. Hopefully we can find some stuff, at least majority, and then I can buy my little things at IKEA. Alright, you guys, so we are in Lotus. We're in the section. They have tons of clothes. So I mean, if you want to shop here for clothes. And then they have some little trinkets you can take home, purses. All right, let's stay focused and go get what I came in here for. All right, so this is where we're at so far, you guys. I got a pillow, some cleaning stuff, and we're walking around. Like, I'm looking at these sheets and I'm like 2,300. But I don't know, I need to check with like some other stores. See what kind of deal I'm getting over here. Because this kind of sound expensive. Okay, I don't know how much that is. I haven't calculated. And I don't even know what size bed I have. Oh Lord, I think it's like a king. It should be. We'll see. So Jarrell's trying to decide what kind of sheet he wants. Yeah, should have packed one of these from Ross, you guys. Oh my gosh, the struggle as well. Alright, so we're getting a rice cooker, the 1 liter, because that should serve me and Jarrell. We're getting this one. It's $2.99, so 300, so 369. Yeah, about 10 bucks. Thereabout. So I'm looking for sauce, and I'm like, it's a big old bottle of soy sauce. So then I picked up this umami sauce. Umai sauce. Okay, umai. Look, okay, umai, something is just for dip and drop, and Jarrell's like, so instead of buying the soy sauce that you know you're buying a sauce you don't know, you guys, I don't know what that sauce does, but it looks like it does something. Okay, so I'm gonna buy it. We're gonna try that. All right, I needed like some, I'm in Lotus. I think I'm gonna look. We have some stuff, but I feel like I wanna see what some other store is looking like before I purchase too much, and then I'm like, oh, it's cheaper over here. I should have bought it over here. Let me keep going, you guys. The struggle is so real over here for us. Look at all this rice. No, we're struggling, like really struggling. How am I supposed to know which rice to buy? This makes no sense. This is a lot of rice. It's a lot of choices. I don't know which rice to buy. Look at this natural cane sugar, a pound for 29 baht. That's less than $1. And they have white sugar over here. It is less than $1. $1 is 33 baht. And then you have the white sugar over here for the same price. Like, how are you getting brown sugar for the same as white sugar? I'm buying this. So we are grabbing one of these. It's what, half a pound? 2 pounds? Oh, even more. That's a better deal than you can get in. Oh yeah, I didn't even see a kilogram. Yeah, that is crazy. Under $1. Yep, we'll take that. Alright, so I found some oyster sauce. Gonna look for soy sauce type thing. What is this, you guys? All in one signature blend. I don't know what that is. Variety stir fry sauce. I mean, this don't look bad. Probably can season up stuff better than I can. Black pepper sauce, basil seasoning sauce. I'm probably gonna grab a couple of these sauce and then just throw them up on some chicken and veggies or something. Pretty sure I get a good meal. Yeah, where's like the soy sauce back here? Ooh, fancy oyster sauce. What are these? All right, I'm gonna keep looking, you guys, and let you know what I find. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our adventures, and subscribe. So much more to come from our life here in Bangkok, Thailand. Look at eggs, you guys. 125. So there's a bakery right in the middle here. So now we're buying crap. But we got some fruits. We came home to put away the grocery. We're still contemplating if we're gonna go to the mall tonight, M's Fair, where there's IKEA and stuff. It's like no rush or anything. Well, Jorah says we don't have any pots, so if we're gonna cook, but we cannot always just order in. But these are some of the things that I got. I was gonna put like a haul thing. No, it is way too much. I'm too tired. So we got this. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Everything in Lotus Bakery is baked fresh daily. So this looks so yummy. We're gonna have that for brekkie. And then we got, oh, the bread is all crushed too, because we were trying to struggle bring these up in the elevator 20 floors, you guys. Then I ended up picking up coconut oil because I couldn't read the others, and it seemed like a lot of palm oil, which I'm not gonna use, and then some other type of oils. Couldn't find vegetable oil, so coconut oil is always a good oil to use. And since we're not gonna really fry anything, I'm gonna buy an air fryer. I was gonna get one in Lotus, but I said I'm gonna see Mr. DIY if they have any. But she said Smart Home is a good brand, so I got this rice cooker. And then Gerald's like, how many sauces did you get? I'm like, I don't know, I'm bringing out my Asian, I don't know. So I got all this. Don't ask me what they are. Okay, there's some sauce. Okay, fine. They're like that umai sauce for dip and drop. I don't know what that is. I have black soy sauce, regular soy sauce, or soy sauce 1, Formula 1. I don't know what that is. Oyster sauce, fish sauce, black pepper. We got, yeah, table salt, just regular salt. I brought some seasoning. I should have brought something better, but I brought a little bit of seasoning from back home. But then we're just gonna get some other type of stuff. Then a big old bag of rice, the pillow. Everything is just a hot mess, you guys. Green onions, or what we call scallions. Some mushrooms, gonna throw these. And I just mix some veggies up with some of those sauce. Got some onions, cabbage, gloves to clean. Just gonna wipe down everything. And then I need to find a cleaner because I'm about that life. I'll pay somebody to do it for me because I don't want to. Got some carrots, cute pea mayo. So good. If you haven't tried it, try it. And then these egg noodles. Oh, and then Gerald's showing me freezer. I think we need to freeze one in. If we're gonna cook tonight, we can put one in the fridge. So we got these. Look at this, you guys. All right, this was 54 baht. So what? Under $2 for about a pound, because this is 0.6 kilo. So that's about a pound. So under $2 for a pound of chicken leg. Which one do we want to do first, Gerald? Can freeze that, and then we can cook this up. Should be able to cook this one. This one in a rice cooker. No, we can cook it in a rice cooker. You guys, he don't know the game. I've seen it. Like, we can. All right. So this was the chicken breast. It is right about a pound and a little bit for still under $2. Yeah, right under $2. Or right there about $2. That's crazy for about a pound of chicken breast. How much is chicken breast these days? I don't know. And then this one, not bad at all. All right, I think that was, no, that's not it. Yeah, we got the egg, we got this microwave cover. Let me see if this even fits in here. Oh, perfect. Okay, so we got this microwave cover. Gonna wash it, tear the paper off. Got dish, no, clothes, soap, laundry detergent. I don't know. We just picked one up because the struggle was real. I brought these from the States because we just had a ton. So like I said, I was gonna come with 2 empty bags, so might as well just bring the stuff I already had. So I know we're gonna do prepare food, meal prep type things. So I had those, and then we just got one of these to use as to make ice. Yeah. Then we got just some cleaning stuff. Got kitchen towels. This color is so cute. It's literally giving what I'm going for, in like the rose kind of blush, and then the cream. Yeah. And then these were a buy one get one. So just grabbed 2. Didn't really need 2, but it's buy one get one. I'm not gonna give away a free thing. Then I'm gonna put these up. This is floor wipes. I think I saw a mop in the closet. Hopefully it fits these. My life is a struggle, you guys. We're gonna put these here. Let me show you, since I'm being all organized. I brought these from back home because they were on sale, buy one get one at Walgreens, and then Publix, and then there was a coupon, so they were free or something. You saw that I did a video on it. So they're probably free, so I threw them in my bag. Again, I was gonna come with an empty bag. We got 2 free bags. That was fine. So I'm gonna put all the cleaning laundry stuff in here, and then this is the closet. All right, you guys, so this is the mess we're working with. I'm gonna pack this. Not sure if we're gonna go this evening, or we probably will, because my boss over there looks at me like, yeah, we're going. The pillow even comes with a free pillowcase. How cute is that? I mean, they could have just given you white. Because this is not gonna match with anything, but I'll use 2 pillowcases, that's fine. So the guy said the sheets and everything, they're brand new, so that's why I'm like, okay. They laundered them. I'm going Jamaican. They laundered them, and then yeah, he put them in the mats and stuff. He said everything is new. When the last tenant moved out on the 15th, they redid everything, cleaned up and everything. So I'm like, yay. But I'm still gonna buy a sheet because this is not really my style. And I mean, I'm gonna be here a year, so I do need more than 1 bedding set. So, and then yeah, so for tonight I'm just gonna use this pillowcase. So shout out for that free pillowcase. And then yeah, it feels so good. Like, you guys, the mattress, I can't even call this a mattress. Like, this is the floor. I need a mattress topper tomorrow because I'm gonna have back issues. I already have back issues. I'm gonna legit die. It is literally the floor. That's one of the things about a mattress in Asia. Legit floor, wood floor. That's what you get. Oh yeah, I made dinner. We're done, just chilling. You can see the view out there. We don't have any Wi-Fi yet because they're coming tomorrow morning. Emily was talking to them because they only speak Thai pretty much. So she just set up everything for me, and then she just tells me what's going on. So they're coming tomorrow, so we're just using the data that we bought, that we've been using. We have 10 days on that, so we have just a couple more days to go. We got 50 gigabytes. Yeah, that's what we're doing for now. So we're all logged in on the hotspot. And if you don't want to do like a contract for Wi-Fi, you can just do something like this. Just get the highest unlimited data and then just hotspot all your things. So like your computer, iPad, TV, whatever. You'll be able to do that. So that's probably should have done that, but Joel says, oh, I download 10 gigabyte files a day for my coding, blah blah blah, which is why I got one of the most the price is, I think the lowest was $5.99 for the plan. 500 upload, 500 download. The one I got was 750 baht, which is like $22, which is 1 gigabyte upload, you guys. So that's super fast. Like, that's an office setup. And then 500 download. So yeah, Jarrell made me do it. Don't ask. But it is what it is. It's only $22. The next one was what, 17. So super inexpensive to get data here compared to the US. That's it, you guys. We're officially settling into our new place in Bangkok. This journey has been about freedom, growth, and creating a life that feels right for us. If you've been thinking about making a change, take the leap. The world is waiting. See you in the next video. Bye.